Specs: 18 pounds of media in a cardboard box. Accuracy: Frankford media is designed to quickly and efficiently remove dirt, grit and powder residue from brass cases before reloading. Ease of use: just pour into the tumbler of your choice and get to cleaning. Versatility: can be used to clean, polish media in a brass tumbler and can also be used to fill shooting bags for the range. Durable: can be used multiple times before needing to change out with new media. Top reviews from the United States. Produces bright, shiny brass. This is an excellent media for cleaning brass. I find I can use it 5 to 10 times before changing it by placing about 6 clean, used dryer sheets in with it each time I clean to collect a large fraction of the burnt carbon and lead. I generally tumble for 2 to 4 hours with the aim of making the brass not only clean but also bright and shiny. I have found that the brass will become cleaner without adding any polish to the media, although not adding polish results in more airborne dust when separating the media from the brass.